Automotive restoration is big business, as thousands of companies across the globe work meticulously to bring old cars back to life. The process often includes replacing original parts, but purists and collectors know that original parts are always best regarding overall value. Most of the automotive tasks involve heavy degreasing, undercoating, or a combination of the two. The average job takes between 5 and 7 hours, depending on how significant the filth is. The dry ice blasting method can efficiently increase productivity in the automotive industry by cleaning the equipment in no time and help automotive companies cut their mold buildup cleaning costs annually. This cleaning method can reduce scrap rate, increase production time, preserve the integrity of fixtures, reduce labor costs and boost the morale of employees. Considering the advantage of dry ice cleaning compared to abrasive media blasting and seeing some photos of before and after, dry ice cleaning looks like. Cleaning examples include: as dry ice blasting is extremely versatile, it can be used in limitless applications. However, at leading edge the below tend to be the most common applications. The chemical agent treatment time is long, at least more than 48 hours. And the agent is harmful to human body. Dry ice blast cleaning can completely solve the problem of carbon deposit within 10 minutes, which saves time and reduces the cost, and the scale removal rate reaches 100%. Underbody cleaning. Cleaning and restoration of mechanical components such as engines, gearboxes, suspension/control arms, drivetrain components, etc. Removal of residues such as oil, grease, overspray, etc. Cleaning of hard-to-reach areas or in difficult shapes and crevasse. Clean the door cover, roof, carriage, car bottom, etc., without water stains, will not cause water pollution. Car carburetor cleaning and car surface paint removal, to remove engine carbon deposit. Clean and maintain the engine compartment, chassis, etc. to restore the car as before.